Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. As you all know, that writing can make you more aware about your grammar. I used to say that writing is a really good way to fix your grammar. Why? Because when you write something, then you read it. This is automatically a kind of reviewing what you have written. And sometimes we feel that the things that we have written is wrong, is incorrect. It has many grammar errors. Then you try to fix it, right? I've been doing that to my students. I give them an assignment to write about anything, and surprisingly, I still found out that they're not really familiar with present tense. They make mistake on here and there and blah blah blah. So that's why I would like to explain more about present tense and also about the pronoun. Now let's take a look at the board. Alright, let's take a look at the board here. Probably this table is familiar to you if you have seen my video before, my explanation, and I would like to try to explain more about the present tense. Now, what is the present tense? Present tense is the tense that we can use when you try to express about something that happened in the present, happens in the present. And the second one is present tense is used to express habitual action. Alright, next, what else? The fact. Alright, now can you give me an example of something that happened in the present? Let's see, today people like to use social media. This is pretty common. I think most people like to use social media whether they want to contact their friends, so they want to show off, right? Or maybe they like to promote their products, or they sell something on internet. Social media is a kind of a great tool to do that. Now, how about habitual action? Well, I'm not going to talk about the study anymore. I mean, it's going to be boring, I think. Let's talk about something else. She watches television every day. Or you can say something else like my grandma always reads newspaper in the morning. So kind of old-fashioned, right? Usually people watch TV or accessing internet, but my grandma always reads newspaper in the morning. She wears glasses. And then that is habitual action. How about the fact? Donald Trump is the president of the United States. United States of America, I should say. Alright, I will write it. And that is the fact. And our president is Mr. Jokowi, right? Happens in the present. Today, people like to use social media. It's a habitual action, like she watches television every day. My grandma always reads newspaper in the morning. And the fact, Donald Trump is the president of the United States of America. That is the use of present tense here. We use verb present over here. So it can be verb or verb s. And the to be is mr. Donald Trump is he, so the to be is. Right. Now next, what is the pattern of present tense? The pattern is number one, subject, verb, or verb as. Maybe there will be object, maybe there will be something else. Now let's try another sentence like they clean their class in the morning, right? They, subject, clean is a verb, no verb as because they, and then their class is subject, and the last one is in the morning. It's adverb of time signal. Now how about let's see another one. Jane drinks water a lot, or Jane drinks water because it is her favorite drinks. That's another example. Now the question is, why we use verb here, and then why we use verb as over here? I, we, you, they. So they're gonna use verb. But if the subject he, she, and it, they're gonna use verb as. Okay, and let's try this again. Now this is the positive. Now let's put it into negative. They don't clean their class in the morning. And then let's see the interrogative. Do they clean their class in the morning? The answer can be yes, they do, or no, they don't. Right. This is the pattern. Now how about this one? Jane drinks water. Let's put it here. That is the positive. Now how about the negative? Jane doesn't drink water. Now how about the interrogative? We put does here. And Jane. Does Jane drink water? The answer is yes. C does. Or no, she doesn't. This is pretty easy. Now, how can we make questions out of this sentence? See, they clean their class in the morning. Now, can you make a question which is the answer is in the morning? As you see, the morning is time signal or adverb of time. So we're gonna use WH question when. Right? When they clean their class. Is it that simple? No, not really, because we can refer the questions here. Let's see. In here, we know that the pattern of positive sentence is this, and negative is this one, and then the question or interrogative is this one. So we could just gonna copy this. When do they clean their class? So we just copy this without in the morning, because we're gonna use in the morning as the answer with this. And then the answer is in the morning. How about this? How can we make a question that has the answer of their class from this whole sentence? Their class is a noun, right? So we're gonna use what? See? And we're going to copy this one again. Do they clean the morning? Now it sounds weird because we are going to use their class as the answer, so we just omit it. What do they clean in the morning? Their class. As simple as that. How about this? What if the answer is clean their class? Now, cleaning their class is a kind of verb, so they do something. Now, we can also use what? And do they do in the morning? See, they clean their class in the morning. That's the answer. This is the answer of this question. So far so good? I hope so.